In this video, I'll be showing you how to finish off the sleeves here. This is the finished sleeve. To do that last edging part, you are going to first crochet the circle for the sleeve, and you follow instructions for that. Now, you're going to go ahead and fold your circle in half to make sort of a semicircle shape, like so. With this yarn, you're going to switch to the color you want for the sleeve edging. I'm using white for that. And what you'll do first is to join this with a slip stitch to the next stitch. So here I'm going to insert my hook into that next stitch, and I'm going to pull through that new color to join. After that, chain one, and remember to have your piece folded together. You will now go into one loop from the front half and go into one loop or one stitch in the back half, like so. So you're essentially going to go into both stitches and then single crochet. I'll do that again. Insert your hook into the next stitch in the front and in that stitch in the back, like so. Single crochet. Insert your hook into the next pair of stitches, single crochet. As you do so, you are crocheting the two flaps together, and this way, as you can see, it's crocheted shut. Here's the opening. So I'm just going through those stitches. And what I'm also going to do is snip off the ends here. And you can just hide in this yarn end within your sleeve. And that's that. Now I'm going to fasten off with a long yarn end to sew it to my doll's body. And you will need both sleeves, of course, to finish this doll.